G'day mate, let's put shrimp on the barbie. No, jokes, we're not actually doing that today. But it's Aussie Day next week and you bet your ass we're having a BBQ / air fryer edition, obviously. Grab a BB, pop your hat on, let's giddy up and get in that kitchen.
They wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
Aussie Day, unless you had a VB or a spawning or a midi or a drop and a midi. I hate beer. Just do it. Cheers. Delicious. I don't like beer. I'm just not a beer drinker. I don't like beer, okay? Aussie Day coming up next week. So this is the best episode for me because I don't even have to have being bacon. I can be as bacon as I want. Okay, but back to what we're actually doing today. So I had this really great idea for Aussie Day. Like everyone has a Barbie on Aussie Day. I mean everyone in Aussie has a Barbie like every second day, I'm pretty sure. Or every weekend at least. What I had a plan for, which I'm not doing, so I don't even know why I'm telling you. But I was gonna make the ultimate kebab with like crocodile, emu, roux, beef, chicken, and then put a shrimp on the end. Wildly, I searched like, where can you buy crocodile and emu? And the butcher literally 5 minutes down the road from me has crocodile and emu. So I was like, amazing, I can't believe this is all coming together so perfectly. Went down there, you're joking. It was like $40 for a piece of crocodile that big, and like $25 for the same size of emu. And I was like I'm all for the video. But young girls on a budget, so that idea's gone tits up. What we're gonna do today is BBQ. We're gonna make some loaded hot dogs / roux rolls because I'm gonna do a loaded sausage and a loaded kangaroo roll. When I went to go get some sausages, I was like, I love this about Aussies, we're so stingy. Well, I am anyway. Whenever anyone's like, come have a barbecue, bring a piece of meat. You know everyone's gonna go get your Coles thin sliced barbecue sausages. Nobody gets the gourmet stuff. So this is what's going to go. It's just your Coles BBQ thin barbecue sausages because they're so tragic, but they're actually quite delicious. And then I went and got some roux kebab sticks because again, my original idea with the kebab thing, I was like, amazing, they're already cut up for me. How good. But I actually ate one yesterday because I was like starving and I was like, I've forgotten like what roux tastes like. And then I had it and I was like, why haven't I been having roux all this time? Well, I do know why. It's because my brother actually nearly choked to death on it. Actual true story. It was the scariest moment of my life, and then after that I was kind of scarred. Roux is about 15 to 20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually start with the roux on in the air fryer first for 5 minutes. And I'm going to flip that around like, I don't know why I'm not jumping like a kangaroo. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip those the kebab stick every 5 minutes. I don't know why I'm doing this. I think I'm getting gun. Oh my god, this is so bad. I'm going to hell for this. Plan is the last 5 minutes is when I'm going to put them in the bun. Load those bad boys right on up. So technically it only really needs 10 minutes before we put it in the bun. So I'm trying to think of this as I go, obviously. It's already got herb and garlic marinade on it. Happy days. I'm just going to leave it on the kebab stick because it just makes my life a little bit easier. Look at that big juicy chunk of roux right there. Oh my days. Start with 200 degrees for your roux because it is quite a thick, gamey sort of meat. So you really want to make sure it's cooked properly. Oh, and you also, yeah, give it a spray with some spray oil just so, you know, helps with the cooking process and all the rest. 5 minutes, and I'm going to pop these bad boys in and I will be back. All right, gang, that one's just gone off for the first 5 minutes. So just grab the kebab stick, flip it on over, chuck the snagger in, whack it on in there, and then another 5 minutes. Now while that's going, what you're going to do is prepare what you're going to pop in your loaded hot dog roll. I just chopped up some onions and let me tell you that bloody hurt, my eyes are burning. Then I've just got some bacon. Just going to cut that up into like little square pieces, fry them off. And then also I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on top, and some pickles. I'm just going to fry these off. I'm going to do them separate. So I'm going to do the bacon first and then the onions. I don't really think it actually matters, but you do it however you want. Maybe onions first, I don't actually know. Yes, how cute are your boots? I literally just started walking up, breaking my foot, or fracturing my foot. And these are the cutest things ever. Went from one room to another. Onions are frying. Now I know people usually probably use your brown onions, but I was fresh out of brown and I had some red candy, so red onion it is. Fry those off. Fry off your bacon, and then a sip of your BB because it's so delicious. Yum. Once that's all prepared, I will be back when we're putting the rolls together. Alright guys, time has just gone off, so that's been 15 minutes for the roux, 10 minutes for the sausage. Now what you want to do with your roux typically is you actually want to let it rest in foil for like 5 minutes. I think what I'm going to do is I am going to do that. That's looking pretty good. God, I love roux. I'm so sad that I haven't eaten it all this time. God damn, my brother could petrify the hell out of me. Let that rest there while we prepare the rolls. Your traditional cold bakery rolls. Typically you'd probably cut hot dog that way, but I think I'm going to cut it this way so that I can jam pack it all in. Oh, should I do that way? Let's test one. Let's test one. I reckon down the middle, because then you can open it on up. Spread it out. I'm such a child. Oh, I totally forgot the roux I was going to do gravy. Grab your snagger. Look at that. 10 minutes in the air fryer, better than sausage. Oh, it's really hot though. Use your hands, get right on into it. Pop some onions on, pop some bacon on over the top. Then we're gonna get some pickles. No, pickles are Australian, but I love a pickle, so. Oh, that's really hard to. Oh my God, god damn. God damn, I'm gonna be so mad I can't use the pickle. Oh my God. I haven't been to the gym for a few weeks, so I can probably do it. Dang it. All right, let's give this a go. Oh no. Ugh. Got it. Legend. Legend. Chuck them in. Just along the sides, whatever you fancy. Oh my God, this is gonna be so freaking delicious. We've got pickles, we've got onion, we've got bacon. What are we missing? Missing some cheese. I love this episode because I can be as bacon as I want. I'm gonna have to beat that a little swearing, but that's fine. Mozzarella cheese just over the top like so. I love Aussie Day. I've got baking paper in there, but I think I might, it's a bit dirty. Get rid of the old baking paper because it's got all the roux juice on there. The roux juice. This is so I'm the dirtiest mind ever. The roux roll. Oh man, I am so excited for this. 2 seconds. I know some people go make your own gravy, but you know what? I feel like this gravy is delicious and it saves me the time and it's bloody hot in here. Honestly, it's like 40 degrees outside. I can't deal. Typically, you normally microwave your gravy in the What I'm going to do, because I'm going to be popping these back in the air fryer for like 5 minutes, I'm just going to let the air fryer heat it on up and I'm sure it should be fine. Alright, hang on, let's pop this one away. It's coming in the way. Now that it has rested, just cut it off the kebab stick. Roux is generally quite a gamey, tough meat, hence where my brother nearly choked to death on it. So I'm going to cut that up purely for the roll. I'm kind of just ripping it really. To be honest, now that I think about it, I probably could have got 2 kebab sticks in this one roll. Damn it! But that's fine, we're here now. Oh look, now I said that it is. Plenty is in there. I just have like, you know, those like where my eyes are bigger than my stomach. Always like that's not enough, and then I look at them, probably it's fine. Kangaroo in the roll. Pop your onions over there. Oh my God. May as well top that up with the rest of the bacon and drizzle your gravy all over that. I'm so happy about this. Cheese. I don't know much for pickle in the roux roll. Nah, I'm just gonna do onion and bacon and the mozzarella cheese over the top. My bloody God. How I haven't been wiped yet, I don't know. I mean, bless that poor soul, what's ring on this one? Look at that. I can't. Pop them back in the air fryer. Start with 3 minutes, have a look-see, and then we will go from there because really everything's cooked. We just need that gravy to heat up and the cheese to melt. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll be back after the break. Alright guys, the time has just gone off and it smells so good in here. Plus it's also so hot, I'm literally sweating. These boots are killing me. Stop. You can probably just grab them with your hands out. I love a BBQ. This one at all the barbecue. Oh, it's so hot. Sweating. I don't even want to drink this, but it's so hot. It's so bubbly. Have a look at this. Alright, I don't know how I'm going to show you this. God damn it. Love my spatula. Look at this. It's a bit toasty, but that's alright. Far out. I'm just going to have to cut one up. There's your ROO roll. It's really hot. Ah, this is really hard. God damn. No, look, I'm just going to have to cut it up. And typically you would just probably, you know, grab it and have at it. I think I should probably cut it up. It's going to be really hot though. Where's my knife? Get yourself a serrated knife, preferably. Oh, I don't know which one I want to try first. Oh my god. It's going to be super hot. Stop. Not that, you know what's in there. Look at that. Look at the ROO roll. Oh my days. No, I don't want to choke. It's going to be so hot. Damn it. I really want to bite into it. Happy Aussie Day again. There was nothing attractive about it. Yum. Oh, kangaroo. I spat everywhere. Dessert. See what I mean? Kangaroo is super chewy. Y'all, if you haven't tried kangaroo, I know some people are a bit weird about it. It is like one of the highest protein meats, I'm pretty sure. And it's delicious. Like, you just gotta get past that, you know, part of like skippy, you know, sort of thing, or whatever. It's such a delicious meat. You just want to make sure you chew it properly. All I would recommend. Oh, it's so chewy. I think I've got a shit. I'll give that to the dog. Let's cut this bad boy in half. It's your classic. Oh my days, look at this. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying really hard. Look, it's amazing. Alright, let's give this a go. Oh. Stop. Oh my god. Woo! It's really hot. Amazing. Absolutely stunning. Delicious. Alright, but I got ruined too. I hope you enjoyed this special edition Aussie Day episode. Make sure to like, subscribe, press the bell to the things also close for me, and let me know if you have any recommendations or if there's any other version that you guys would like to see of a loaded dog. Otherwise, I will see you in the next episode of Little Red's Kitchen. Cheers. Oh, it just gets worse and worse.